up? It's your girl Nikita Shanae, and welcome back to my channel. So today I actually picked up, well, yesterday I picked up a lot of stuff, and I just was able to get a lot of stuff in the mail. And I'm actually thinking about doing like a try on haul. Like I never did a try on haul on my channel because your girl got a little bit of belly. You know, she got a little bit of belly going on, but I'm not gonna let that stop the show. So I actually want to come up here and do a look using the Morphe 35G palette. I think it's called Ready Set Gold. Ready Set Goals. I don't know. But it's a palette that I've been wanting for a long time, and I think it actually was sold out on the Morphe website. So now it is back in, and I decided to pick it up when I picked up my Jaclyn Hill palette. So that's the eye makeup I have on today. And I also had a couple new products that I tried out today as well that I picked up from Sephora that I'm going to let you guys in on in the video. So if you have not subscribed to your girl channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, the bell, let you know whenever I upload new videos, and the thumbs up if you like my type of video. So yeah, I'm going to hurry up and get into this look because that's what you guys came here for. So let's get to the look and we will talk throughout the video. Ciao. So I'm actually just running a couple errands today, but I decided to jump on here and do some type of look. I'm thinking more of a soft glam everyday type of look. I got a couple new products that I purchased from Morphe, Milk, Hourglass. Who is this new brand? I don't even know how you pronounce it, but I will list it somewhere. Got some of that, so I'm just gonna jump right in. I absolutely don't know what I'm doing with my face. Like I said, I did pick up two palettes. I got the Jaclyn Hill palette in the Morphe 335G. It's supposed to be the like Ready Set Gold or Golds or something like that. I don't know. It looks like this. It looks like this. I can actually say I'm not super excited about this one, but I think I'm gonna hold off and do Jaclyn Hill palette tomorrow. I just need like a little bit more of inspo for that. Alright, so I'm just going to pin this up, get this out the way. Alright, so do I want to do my eyeshadow first and then my foundation? You guys already know. So I'm just going to start off with my P. Louise base, and I'm going to prep and prime my lid for my eyeshadow colors. I'm just using a flat kabuki brush. I find like putting my base on with the flat kabuki brush, it kind of evens it out, and I kind of get it everywhere, so don't mind it looking messy. Like everything is going to be covered up anyway. Like you're not even going to be able to tell. Like, could you really tell? Nah. Okay. So anyway, so I'm going to go into moisturizing my face. I didn't use the Milk product yet. I used it off camera. You will see it soon. But anyway, so I'm just taking some cocoa butter moisturizer, and I'm just kind of saturating my face with it because my skin is really dry. So anytime I go with any type of mattifying foundation, I love to saturate my face with some type of hydrating products, because it's already dry, like the fuck. Okay, so next I'm going to take my Versailles oil. I don't know the name of this, but of course you guys know I got you. So I'm just going to take this Versailles oil, elixir, or whatever you want to call it, and I'm just going to rub that all into my face as well. I think it's the Skin Glass, or yeah, it's the Skin Glass. So this is the star. This is the Morphe 35G palette. I've been looking at this palette for so freaking long. I honestly thought I had one in my collection already, but I didn't. So yeah. So we're going to go in with that tan color. I don't even know if these colors have names on them, but I'm going to go in with that tan color, and I'm just going to make that act as my transition color. I'm just really going to buff this color in. Like, it kind of took me a good little minute to kind of get a little color payoff, but I got exactly what I wanted. Like, I didn't want anything super bold. It's a transition color, so duh. So yeah, so I'm just going in with that color, just Applying it all into my crease area, kind of a little bit up into my brow bone. Also at the same time, kind of setting that base that I put down as well. All right, next I'm going to take another Morphe brush. This brush is more of a flat type of brush. It's made for the crease, but it's more flat, and I like it because I can actually get into my crease, and at the same time I can pack on my colors. So I'm gonna take this pretty rich mocha brown color. Like, I love it. It's more of, it's not mocha brown, it's more of like a redwood brown kind of color, but anyway, in the pan it is freaking cute. So anyway, so I'm gonna take this color and I'm gonna saturate this color with my brush, and I'm just going to start out on my outer V, and just kind of work my way up into the crease area and into the inner corner of my lid. And as I'm working in, I'm just kind of, as it get closer to my inner corner, I am just blending it out. I'm not adding like a lot of product to my inner corner. So yeah, so I'm just going to work it in and just kind of blend what I already have on my lid out, if that makes any sense. And I'm taking this all the way in my crease, like really, really trying to get this color to saturate in my crease and on my outer V. Yeah. Alright, so you guys already know the key to any look is blending. So you're going to see me go back and forth with the colors that I applied and just kind of blend them out. So now I'm taking that first color and just kind of blending out those harsh lines of that pretty brown that I just laid down. I'm going to do this several times throughout this video. So just letting you know, like I said, the key to a really good eye look is blending. You're going to spend most of your time blending than applying. So just FYI, that's what you're going to do. All right, so you see me going back into that brown, applying that color because I feel like I took off a lot of the brown, and I do want that brown to be noticeable. So that's the reason why I'm reapplying that brown. And then, of course, I'm going to go back in and, you know, kind of tone down the harsh lines. All right, next I'm taking that dark, it's like a dark brown color in the palette. I'm taking that and I'm just applying it in my outer V just to kind of give me like more of a little smoky type of look. I'm not going for a super smoky look, but I just kind of want a little bit more depth in my outer V. So that's the reason why I'm taking that brown color and just applying it just in my outer V. Like I said, you see me going back in with the previous colors and just kind of reapplying them and blending them out, just so I can get that really nice gradient effect. All right, so you see me trying to figure out what color I actually want to put on my lid, but I am going to go in with this super small, tiny, itty bitty brush, lid brush. And the reason you see me, like, it's super small, so the color payoff in this palette is really, really good. I just have a freaking small brush that's not applying, just not having a lot of coverage on my lid. Not the eyeshadow itself, it's just the fact that the brush is small. So I'm going in with this really, really pretty, vibrant cranberry type of, it looks cranberry, but I think it's, I don't know, but anyway, you see the color. So I'm gonna go in with that color. It's more of a shimmery type of color, and I'm applying that on my lid. I just kind of wanted something that kind of stand out. So I did decide to do that color. So yep, I did not have to wet this literally at all, and that's why I was so fascinated by this palette. I did not have to wet these colors, or well, that color, and it let me know that, you know, it has really good quality. Which honestly, Morphe has really good quality eyeshadow palettes for the price point that it is. So if you're looking for an inexpensive palette, make sure you hit up Morphe. Like, they whole brand is bomb to me. So again, you just see me reapplying, blending out, reapplying, blending. We already know. We already know. So, yep. I don't know what else to say right here. But yeah, so I already previously did my makeup. Sorry, I did my makeup off camera because my makeup routine is pretty much the same. I'm just showing you like the lasting part that I have to do. So I'm just adding this CoverGirl by Queen Beauty. Oh my gosh. If y'all have not picked up this, I don't even know if they sell it anymore, but this is the Black Girl Bronzer, baby. She is perfect for you. So I just kind of added bronzer just to kind of add some more color to my face, so it just kind of won't be one set color. Even though I, put my concealer on, I just still wanted to break up that. I always like for my outer face to be darker, my inner face to be bright, because that's what all the attention going to. So you want to brighten it up. All right, so I'm the same thing I did to the top, I'm going to do to the bottom. Of course, so I'm just, what I'm doing at the bottom, I'm just kind of blowing it out more. So just kind of making it look a little bit more messy, not so much put together. So next I'm going to take that, what I say, a cranberry, or my lid color. And I actually have to wet this. And I'm just going to add this just into the, kind of in my waterline, but just in the middle of my lower lash line. So believe me or not, like, I deleted parts of this, but I tried so many brown liners and it didn't work. But baby, Marc Jacobs always have your girl on lock. So if you're looking for a good brown liner, check out Marc Jacobs, bomb.com. All right, so next I'm taking my MAC lip liner in chestnut. I like it. Yeah, I do. I'm taking MAC chestnut, and I'm just kind of lining my lips. Sometimes I overline. I'm gonna be honest. Sometimes I overline. Sometimes I underline. It just kind of depends on what the mood is. I'm taking my Morphe. I don't know the name of this, but I'll let you know. It's just matte brown nude type of lipstick, and yeah, it's just matte new type of lipstick, and I'm just applying that and just taking a lip brush and just kind of fine tuning everything. All right, next I'm taking a Morphe lip gloss, and I'm just glossing it up because I didn't want a matte look. I like more of a satin look sometimes. So especially with yeah, I just like more of a satin look sometimes. All right, so I'm taking this Dior what is it called, blush. She is subtle, and I like that. She's just not super bold. Like, she's very buildable, and I love that about her. So you really can't go wrong with a buildable blush color, especially if you're not the type of person that wear blush all the time. And that's me. I don't wear blush all the time, so I love it about this. I can build it up, and it never looks overdone. All right, so next I'm going back into my Morphe 35G palette, and I'm taking that gold color out the palette, or that copper color out the palette, and I'm just kind of adding that to my inner corner just to kind of give me a little bit more pop to my inner corner or my eye look. You already know you have to set the face, spray, set, and forget. So that's what I'm doing. Just kind of add a little bit more moisture back to my face. I love Morphe setting spray. That's probably the only one I use. I'm getting into the Huda, but I love Morphe. All right, so you see me taking the Bobbi Brown highlight. Yeah, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but today I did. So I'm highlighting my cheekbones, my nose, and I'm going to detail the center part of my lip. All right, so you already guys know I gotta do these bottom lashes. I'm gonna take my Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir. I have like 10,000 of these laying around the house. So I'm just gonna apply my bottom mascara to. I'm applying my mascara to my bottom lash line. Lord, my bottom lash line. I'm just gonna go over it probably 2 times, maybe 3. I let it dry for a little bit, and then I reapply. So yeah. Second coat, second coat. I think I just really applied 2 coats. All right, so I'm just gonna set it a little bit. So I've been liking this Sephora micro finish foundation. The bad part about it, they only have like a limited amount of shade. So, and mine is the darkest. So that's the con about it. But it is really good if you can find your shade. It smooths out your foundation. Like, look at it. Yes. Taking the hair wrap off, just so you can see what your girl working with. I love this blonde. Thumbs up if you love this blonde. Like, let your girl know. I love it. I absolutely love it. I thought I was never gonna go back to black, but I did. I did. All right, guys. So you made it to the end of the video. So I'm gonna go by one of things that of the new products that I like and my thoughts on it. First of all, we're going to start with the Kelsey Revealer Super Creamy Brightening Concealer. I got the number 8 or the tone 8. I like it. It's super creamy. I thought that it was going to dry out really, really fast, even though it says super creamy, because when I was in the store, I kind of put a swatch on my hand. But I walked around like for a long time, and when I actually went to check out, it was super dry. So, but it definitely isn't like that. I did let it dry down for a little bit so it can kind of sink into my skin, and I absolutely love it. It's very buildable. I must say that it does not say anything about medium full coverage. Yeah, it's spot cover though. So yeah, I absolutely love this. I'm thinking about going picking up their foundation. They only have like a select range of foundation, so if I can find their foundation in my shade, I would definitely pick it up because I absolutely like the concealer. And it's rare for me to say I like a concealer, so it's rare, 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 rare. All right, so I did pick up the Milk Makeup Vegan Milk Moisturizer. I like this as well. I picked up the mini size, and I picked up the mini because I didn't know if I was going to like it or not. But after trying it and feeling the consistency of it, I absolutely love it. It's perfect for anybody who got like dry skin, dry type skin. I feel like this is so good under your foundation. Of course, I prep my skin with a lot of different things under my foundation to give me a more glowy type of look instead of like a dry matte type of face. So I'm definitely going today to pick up the bigger bottle of this. What else? Of course, I just kind of read up on my March 8th, because you already know how I feel about this. The Velvet Noir Mascara. Absolutely love it. Nothing, spectacular about it. I love it. And then the Morphe 35G palette. This palette is old. It's new to me, but I'm pretty sure Morphe had this palette already for a while. But I wanted to pick up this because this is going to be the palette that I actually take on a cruise with me, because I'm going for a more bronzy type of goddess type of look. So this is the palette. I thought I had one in my collection like this already, but I do not. The one that I do have is like more of a matte, like all colors matte. Matter of fact, here we go right here, because I did a look with this one. So this one that I was actually trying to compare it to, but it's not. Like, this is completely matte, and you see like a lot of transition colors down here versus on this one. But this is bomb. Like, so if you're looking for a palette, an inexpensive palette that you can kind of create a lot of different shades, a lot of different looks with, especially in the summertime, if you're going for a goddess bronze glow type of look, this is the palette for you. And did I mention that it's inexpensive? So yes, definitely pick this up. And that is about it. I love it. It blends well. Of course, you already know Morphe products blend pretty good. Color payoff is there. So yeah, so that wraps it up for this video. I hope you guys really like it. I hope you guys decide to subscribe to the girl channel. Hit the thumbs up button, and also the bell lets you know whenever I upload new videos. So yeah, I hope you guys like it, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.